Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add files to your content library at connect.dataczar.com. Let's go to dataczar.com, we'll click Login. We'll get our username and password. That's going to take us to Dashboard on the main menu. Let's get rid of this and we'll go full screen. So to add the files to your content, you're going to click on the Content button. Let's take a look at Website real quick here. Now you can add the files to pages and posts while you're working on your website, but today we're going to preload those into our content. And actually we're going to show you how to do this towards the end. So let's go to the Content button. And so to add the files, we're going to add them here. We also have My Images. Now we covered My Images on a separate webinar, so we're not going to cover that today. We're just going to go with the MP3 and the PDF files. So to upload, we're going to first click on Choose Files, and we're going to choose those from our computer. So let's go ahead and pick the PDF first, and we're going to click on the Upload button. And that's uploaded into My Files right there. So let's go ahead and go back to Upload, back to Choose Files, and this time we're going to choose the MP3 file right here. So we'll double click and we'll click Upload, and then now that's in My Files. So we have both the PDF and the MP3. Let's go back to the Website button, and real quickly, let's just go over to our AAA outdoor scenes. I preloaded these here, PDF file, MP3 files. We're going to make those clickable. So let's go ahead and go back here, and let's go to Pages, and we're going to edit our home index page, Edit, here, and let's scroll down. And we're going to go ahead and highlight our PDF. We already have these. I already have the words placed in here. So PDF file name, click here. We're going to link that up. So we click on Link and search My Files. And this one's the PDF, so we're going to use that link. We're going to click OK. And then we're going to click, and we're going to do the MP3 here. So we're going to go here, we're going to click on the link, we're going to search it, go to My Files, and this one's the MP3, so we'll click here. So there it is. We linked those up. Now we're going to click Update. Now let's go back to the AAA outdoor scenes, and let's refresh the page. So we can do Control F5. And there it is. So now we have the PDF file name, click here. And when I click, it takes me to the PDF. So let's tab back over. And the MP3 file name, click here. And that takes us to the MP3. So let's go ahead and stop the volume there. And let's tab back over here. So that's how you add those to your website. How do you link them up? That's just a little added bonus. So let's go back to Connect, and that's it. So what we did is we went to the Content button, and we added the files. We used the Upload button to add the files to My Files. So let's go back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how you add files to your content library with Dataczar Connect.